just had a tour of the Wesmarc facility here in Bomsandra, and we come out thoroughly impressed. They have built a world-class facility from scratch with a lot of innovation, focus on aesthetics, and a very clean and healthy workflow as well, which is very hard to see in this industry. And wishing Aman and the team the very best.
I think every small detail when it comes to doors has been taken care of here at the Wesmarc facility and in the Wesmarc brand. They've taken an everyday, highly utilized product, an ordinary product, and made it work.